I am doing the random comment generator for the Mulan palette. Let's see who wins. Good luck to everyone. Adriana Wendling! I am going to contact you right now. Congratulations! Hi everybody! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. So today I am standing up. I like to, I don't know, since I filmed the other videos standing up, I feel like standing up makes me happier. Even though this is normally makeup videos, but here we are. I got my new BOXYCHARM. I got my monthly pre-ordered mama gift for me and for you guys technically, since I save stuff for you, but this is the June BOXYCHARM box and we have a card. I love the cards because then I do not have to look on the website. Oh, and the theme of this month is the Oasis. There's candles and tea and white rose, so that's nice. I'm not going to read it yet because I want to see what is in here. So the first thing I pulled out is Beauty Vault Crocadian Lip Liner Trio. Let's see what this is. There's 3 pencils in here. Oh, they're pretty colors. There's a like ruby red, kind of like a nude-ish, like pinky one, and then brown. The colors are called Cozy Kira, Bo Babe, and Natty Nat. They look really pretty. Maybe I should try some of these on. I'm just swatching them on my wrist here so that you guys can see the colors. Oh yeah, I like, those are nice. Let me try, let's do this one. Let's do Bo Babe. It's like a nudish color, kind of goes with the lipstick I just got from my Mulan palette from a stand-up mirror, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just using the Tati palette mirror. It's gliding on super smooth. It's very pigmented. I like it. I'll just color in. I just color in my lips here and just use it as a lip color. Ooh. Thank you, husband.
You're welcome.
Ooh. It's much lighter to hold. I like it. It makes my teeth look white. This is a major important detail for my lippies. Obviously, because this is a lip liner, it's not going to dry down or anything, so it's just something I would have to be careful with if I were to wear this outside. Let me use my Mulan lip gloss on top of it. And from doing the testing of the Mulan palette, it's imperative that you don't use a ton of lip gloss because it will get super duper sticky. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it above. Yay, lip gloss! Okay, this is definitely a winner. Okay, I'm not sure where I left off, but here's my lips with the lip gloss on top. It is working quite well. The memory card was too full, so I just finished deleting a bunch of clips, and I also found some baby clips of Logan, so that was like a 20-minute break. But here we are again. The next thing I pulled out of my BOXYCHARM box, it's a QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Cream. It's this cute little container. See here? I think I'm going to add this to the giveaway. so I'm not going to open it. This is probably expensive considering how little it is, but I guess we'll find out in a minute. Okay, next thing I just pulled out, it's a very cute box. I'm not sure what it is. Classy Pretty Fitter by Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. I have no idea what that is. There is Japanese lettering, Chinese lettering. I don't want to butcher because I do not know what those symbols are. So this is obviously a Korean, made in Korea. Korean product, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. My sister has a coworker that says that all the Korean stuff is super good. So at the last step of skincare routine, apply it evenly to face as needed to achieve dewy and glowy skin. Apply 2 to 3 times to allow even longer lasting wear. So I don't think I'm gonna open this one either. This one will also go into the giveaway gift pile. I have been purchasing kind of like skincare things on my own, as well as experimenting with the stuff that comes in the BOXYCHARM box. And I'm liking the things I've been using, so as soon as I get a final opinion on the things that I've bought, I will let you guys know. There's a YouTube channel, and I think it's called Dr. Anthony Yoon, and he claims to be the holistic plastic surgeon, and he has a couple of videos on skincare and how to keep yourself youthful and glowy. We're using a lot of natural products as well as things that you can eat that will help your skin. I should link the video I watched down below, but he is very informative. He has lots of good information. So yeah, I will link it down below, and then once I have a final conclusion about his skincare stuff I've been trying, I will let you guys know. So the next thing I pulled out of the box looks like this. It's like a black marble. It says Diamond Glow Powder, Loose Powder Highlight. So the box looks like. Super pretty. This might be expensive. It's got marble box. So Diamond Glow Powder, Loose Powder Highlight in the shade Conceited. I think I might save this one as well for the giveaway because I have a ton of highlighters and this looks super fancy and pretty, so I would love to put this in the giveaway. Oh, it also says made in the USA. Woo, doo, 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 doo. That is awesome. So I'm just gonna put this one to the side, and we have one last item in here. Ooh, this is pretty. It looks kind of whimsical. Oh, it's a lady. I was looking at it upside down and I was like, oh, that looks like flowers, but then I flipped it. It's a lady. Okay, what does this say? Zueva Premier is what it says. Zueva Premier. Superior pigmentation. This is a eyeshadow palette. Did I save an eyeshadow palette for you guys already? I do have an eyeshadow palette saved for you guys, but this one looks super pretty. Let me see if I can pull it up on the interwebs. Ooh, there's the eyeshadow and there's the blush, and the packaging looks similar. Okay, I'm just going to look at the card and see if it tells me what it is. So it's an eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette is worth $28. So I am going to save this eyeshadow palette for you guys. So that will go in the giveaway. This Artist Couture Loose Powder Highlighter is $27. This little tiny eye cream, QMS Medic Cosmetics. Holy caca. This little tiny, this is like a size of a $50, is $132. So this is going in the giveaway. Holy moly. Holy moly. Okay, and then the Touch of Soul Filter Glassy Skin Balm is $32. And I kept the cheapest item for myself, which was this lip trio, which was $18. So let's calculate the net value of this box. Oh my god, I can't believe that little eye cream is $132. Holy moly. Total of this box comes to $237. And of that, $18 are being kept by myself. The other 4 products are going to go into the giveaway that I do quarterly. So I think I got 3 months of stuff in there so far, maybe 2 months, I'm not sure. But this will be added to that. Oh my god, I can't believe this. $132 for this tiny little thing. It's made in Germany. Maybe that's why. Holy moly, holy moly. But yeah, I'm going to add these to the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Tell me, let's see, what should you tell me today? What's your favorite book? I've been interested in reading books, fictional or non-fictional. I prefer to read Harry Potter-esque books, but I also really love self-help books. So if you could recommend a self-help book, I would love that. Leave your comment down below. Subscribe. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you later. Bye.